Are you looking for help to kickstart your sales career? Or perhaps you've hit a plateau and just stuck and not sure how to get to that next level of earning. It's frustrating, I get it. My name's Luke, I've been in the sales game for over 20 years, and I too have been lost, stuck, mentally broken, not earning the commission I knew I could. In this video, we go through 4 key pillars, foundational pillars of sales that you need to understand in order to make some serious money, have a great sales career, and a lot of fun along the way. Check out the timestamps below to find your spot and stick around to the end where I have a free gift for you. Sales team, gather round. Today we're going to cut through the fluff like a hot knife through butter. Forget these Instagram sales gurus who think just because they can read a ChatGPT response makes them an expert. I've been selling for longer than they have been alive. Let's take you through some sales strategies I've developed over the last 2 decades of selling. Get real, get it done. Let's dive into the bedrock of your sales success, your mentality. 89% of salespeople last year reported they were burnt out. Now, this isn't about toughening up. It's about building resilience that's going to let you laugh off those bad calls, absorb all those no's, and power through your day. While everybody else is crumbling, every rejection you get is going to be a stepping stone to success. Salespeople are not trained in mental health. There is absolutely a misnomer that salespeople are well compensated for all their troubles via their commission. This is not the case. Resilience is about bouncing back, not being bulletproof. We address all the tough issues: sales targets, rejection, pressure. We build mental health strategies to help you succeed in sales. So why focus on sales preparedness? Well, new research from CSO Insights states that 42% of salespeople don't even feel like they have the right information before going on a call, let alone have the confidence to even execute on that call. Most sales reps aren't trained, don't practice, and avoid data. We're here to change that. Our system is all about getting those reps in. The role-playing drills, the deep data insights, everything you need to feel fully prepared and confident to crush your sales call. You won't just be ready for the sale, you will master the sales call. We emphasize preparedness because it is the foundation of confidence and success. Sales execution is where the rubber meets the road. But a lot of sales reps can't close deals through fear and lack of training. Shockingly, 42% of sales calls end without even a salesperson attempting to close the call. And the national close rate for a sales call in the US is 27%. That is terrible. We're here to fix that. We're here to transform that. We're here to change that. Our execution phase is the antidote. You'll master negotiation techniques and deal closing strategies that are going to turn those sweaty palmed moments into deal closing confident handshakes. You'll learn to anchor, frame, and align with your client long before any objections even come up. Finally, Forbes reports that 55% of all salespeople lack basic sales skills. Add to that, over 50% of clients report that salespeople cannot answer basic questions on sales calls. We're here to change all that. Continuous improvement is all about continual feedback calls, one-on-one mentoring, and feedback loops that will iterate and iterate and iterate until you become the badass salesperson that we know you can be. We'll integrate improvement into your daily routine to make sure you are constantly improving, constantly performing, and staying ahead of your competition. So if you found that useful, please give us a like and a subscribe, and that free gift I was talking about. Check out the description below, find the link to sign up for daily free sales training, tips, and tricks. And look out for the very first email that has the secret password.